What's up, y'all? This is Jonathan Spiegel, the Dream Maker, brought to you by eXp Realty and the Home Squad. I am here in Lake Alfred, Florida at my new listing. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath built in 2018. Let's go check it out. Thank you so much for checking out my new listing. If you got any questions, feel free to hit me up, Jonathan the Dream Maker Spiegel with eXp Realty and the Home Squad. Thank you so much. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow if you haven't on our YouTube channel. We might be up for Orlando's best real estate team. Check y'all out soon. Oh wait, and Orlando Squadcast, best local podcast. Deuce.